Hello viewers, welcome back again. So today we will discuss about Python tuples. So first we will study about Python tuples and what is the concept behind it. If we are talking about tuples basically are used to store multiple items in a single variable. On the other hand, a tuple is another sequence data type that is similar to the list. Or we can say Python tuples is a collection of objects separated by commas. And a tuple is similar to a Python list in terms of indexing, like nested objects and repetition, but the main difference between both in Python tuples is immutable, like unlike the Python list, which is mutable form. And the tuple consists of a number of values separated by commas. Unlike list, however, tuples are enclosed within parentheses. And we can say the Python basically just it's all about the tuples, Python tuples. Then tuples is one of the best feature of Python that is used to build in data types. In Python, just used to store collection of data. Then other three sets are list, set, dictionary, and all with different qualities and their usage. So a tuple is just a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. And however, tuples are enclosed within the parenthesis. The main difference between list tuples are list enclosed with brackets and their elements and size can be changed, while tuples are enclosed in parentheses and cannot be updated. So we can say the tuples can be to all the read-only list and all the items. Now we can see the tuples. Tuples basically we are showing all the values ABCD 786, 2.223, John and 70.2. These are the actual values and any tuples like 123, John into the inverted commas, or we are enclosing with the brackets. As we already discussed in previous slides, parentheses and brackets. Now print tuples, like it prints the complete list, and we are discussing the tuples in terms of the zero values that it prints first element of the list. Print tuples, we are just increasing the size, increasing the range of the print tuple, like it prints elements starting from second till third. So here we are discussing again tiny tuples asterisk 2 that it prints list two times and it prints number of items at the same time. As you can see, we are getting some output from the various types of commands. So in next video, we will discuss about Python dictionary. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe my channel too. So thanks for watching.